integrity, commitment, consistency, and results. This is Gmaets 41. You are welcome to this channel of excellence. Today is the 5th of January 2026. And as we prepare to unleash the Gmaets 41's academic firepower for this year and further, I deem it necessary to address two important things. First, the basis of solving a problem as a human and, of course, as a student. And secondly, a quick review of the academic wonders on this channel as you tune in to explore the quality of what Gmaets 41 consistently offers. Meanwhile, before I move on into addressing these two important things, I would like to take this time out to say a very big thank you to all of you, dear channel members, subscribers, and viewers of the Gmaets 41's works. Thank you for your support. We have come this far. We're looking forward to receiving more support from you, dear friends. Back to our very first point. The basis of solving a problem as a human as well as a student. How fast and accurate you are able to process the solution to any given problem is dependent on how well you understand the foundation of that problem. I repeat this. Very important that you know how fast and accurate you process the solution to any problem is dependent on how well you understand the foundation of that problem. Hasn't life itself taught us this? Think about it. In every aspect of our life, you find out that the sequence, the strategic approach to our solving a particular problem is dependent on how well we understand the foundation of the problem. It is on this note, therefore, that Gmaets 41 urges you, dear friends, that next time, please, never you neglect the importance of the foundation of any given problem. That also goes to your academic work, fully as you know that this channel addresses. Never you allow yourself to be deceived, to neglect the foundation of any problem, of any question that you encounter. Always keep this in mind. Point number two, a quick review of the academic wonders on this channel. Of course, as you tune in to explore the quality of what Gmaets 41 consistently offers, it is very important for you to be aware of what this channel has for you. On this Gmaets 41's YouTube channel, Gmaets 41 offers you works that covers O-level studies as well as undergraduate studies. The aspect of O-level works, this channel covers maths, physics, chemistry, and of course biology works as well too. The scope of these subjects covers various examinations to include JAM and WAEC, NECO, GCE, SAT examination, IGSCE examination, and many more. Therefore, you can always count on this channel to give you the very best you need as you prepare for these examinations. Talking about undergraduate courses, Gmaets 41 offers you several of these courses to include Elementary Mathematics 1 and 2 coded as Math 101 and Math 102. Linear Algebra coded as Math 201. Vector Calculus coded as Math 231. And of course, our Ordinary Differential Equation ODE coded as Math 202. What about physics courses? This channel also gives you glaring works on physics courses to include General Physics 1 and 2 coded as Physics 101 and Physics 107. practical aspect of physics, practical physics 1 and practical physics 2, coded as physics 107 and physics 108. It goes further to cover modern physics and relativity, coded as physics 201. And then our chemistry courses. On this channel, Gmaets 41 covers several of these chemistry courses to include Introduction to Basic Inorganic Chemistry, coded as Chem 101. Basic Organic Chemistry, coded as Chem 102. Then, of course, other aspects of advanced organic chemistry, focusing on alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. We have that of Chem 210, and of course, we have Chem 202. Not to forget is our physical chemistry, coded as Chem 211. All of these, Gmaets 41 offers them on this channel. Going further this year also, this channel will be offering you exciting coursework on fluid mechanics, engineering thermodynamics, process control, modeling and simulation, chemical kinetics, and of course, biochemical engineering and heat and mass transfer. And also included will be engineering mathematics. So much to benefit from this channel as we unleash the academic firepower of the Gmaets 41. I look forward to having an exciting year with you, dear friends. Please, always remember to tune in. Subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. If this is the first time of coming across this channel, then right away subscribe. Always remember to like, leave your appreciation comments on our videos, and share it to your friends so that they can also benefit. Encourage them to tune in and subscribe so that in all we will do excellently well in our studies at school. This is Gmaets 41.